Turuwaite, l'esquela ho irame, no irmule. A present here with you all as your master of ceremonies for the selection of Miss Primary Garifuna 2024-2025. We want to begin because we're behind time, and I'll ask everyone to stand. Lu Afredo, leader Garifuna. Let's stand so we can do the Wabuchibungio in Garifuna. I'll ask our Gayusa and Joyce to help us with that. And immediately after, we'll remain standing. Lueremo Wabagari to sing the Belizean national anthem. By the count of 3, we all start together. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's stand straight. As proud Belizeans, hands to your side. Get ready for the national anthem in Garifuna. Abba, Biam, Guru. the tickets na Barasa Ulelan L'escuela Lina 1 district. I now call on Dr. Tanya Nunes, the manager for District Education Center here in the Stanton Creek District, to do the welcome. Let's put our hands together for Dr. Nunes.
Thank you, Mr. Coleman. Good morning. Good morning. We are gathered here this morning for a very exciting event, our annual Miss Garifuna Primary Pageant. And this year we have 6 beautiful contestants who are giving of themselves and showcasing their talents to you this morning. And these contestants are from Holy Ghost. Let's hear it for Holy Ghost. Holy Family. Sacred Heart. Christ the King. Ulysses. Emperor Methodist. And we want you to keep that energy throughout the morning, because the girls need that energy so that they can show what they have practiced. They are all winners, like we told them backstage. They are all winners. And though unfortunately at the end of the morning only one of them can wear the crown, it does not take anything from the other 5. So we want you to remember that as well. We want to thank you for being here. Welcome all of you. Thank you for the support. And I want to give a shout out to my co-organizer. Hopefully she is watching us online, Dr. Gwen Nunes Gonzalez. Let's hear it for Dr. Gwen. She has been working very, very hard behind the scenes. As well, I want to give a shout out. We have an official thank you at the end, but I cannot go forward without saying a big thanks to the Stanton Creek District Education Center team. Without their hard work and dedication, such an event would not be possible. So let's hear it for the Stanton Creek District Education team. As well as the parents of our contestants, thank you for allowing them to showcase their talents. Thank you for lending them to us. And I want to end by saying a warm welcome. Enjoy the event. The girls are dynamic. And we will cheer for every single one of them, because I cannot repeat enough. Our girls are all winners. Welcome.
Semi-wayabo, Susia Tanya Nunes, lau beres pino ya mo, binafile. Kung natin sa kaifun, kakaif na tanay uwe, ay hindi yung logo ba kung na humang kaifun na, Garifuna Pageant. So do I have to speak in English? Anybody? Oh, yeah, we have visitors. All right. I'll be in and out in Garifuna and English. So today it's Garifuna mostly, and I'll try my best to tell you what's going on in English as time passes by. All right? Hey, Holy Ghost here. Where are Holy Ghost? Are you here? All right, wake up, man. 6 o'clock, long time, you know. Holy Ghost, are you here? Well, Holy Family, are you here? Yeah. officials this morning. Every pageant I MC, after the end of the pageant, I quickly pack my things and I run home. You know why I run home? Because they were not happy with the result. But put the MC in everything. I said, MC doing this. But today I hope that won't happen. Because we have capable people who will be able to give us the right decision today. So our judges for this morning pageant, heading from Holy Ghost, we have Ms. Manuelita Rodriguez. How are you all, Ms. Rodriguez? From Holy Family, we have Ms. Linda Aranda. How are you all, Ms. Linda? From the Sacred Heart, we have Ms. Frances Puniga, aka Nana. From Christ the King Anglican, Mr. Myron Flores. Oh, we have a team. Lisa Sabal. Let's give her a big round of applause. From Luisi Community Primary School, we have Ms. Brenda Garcia. And from Airport Methodist, we have Ms. Edna Whitty. Since they are the judges, I will put them on the spot. So if they cannot dance, we will eliminate them and we'll have to bring somebody else. Alright? That's only fair. So these ladies will be the judges today, and they will be the one who make the final decision. Not Mr. Coleman's decision, not Ms. Tanya's decision. It's the judge's decision, and that will be final. You go cry for Yato, London, that your candidate no win, but the judges decide, that's what will go over. Eh? Our tabulators this morning, we have Ms. Yvonne Palacio. Let's give her a round of applause. And Ms. Lucretia Flores. Hope I said correctly. Our runners, Mr. Ian Mackenzie and Mrs. Keisha Lopez. Okay, Ms. Reynolds, I didn't know you're Lopez now. Congratulations. All right, so those are the official people for this pageant. And our drummers and singers, Gayusa from, I don't know the name of the group. What's the name of the group, Marsha? Oh, Hanigi Wakabu, our parents' heart. Wow, that's a lovely name. I'll go about that soon, Hanigi Wakabu Coleman. Let's give it up for our drummers and Gayusa. Before I continue, Runa Fenmu, Kamala, Eyaha, Anua da Hatia, Binafile. Oh, let me recognize our ageable audience from this side, behind the judges. And then they call it the scene, I see this, I don't know that long, right? Give her a round of applause, right? Yeah, they was the only people who understand me when I talk in Garifuna. And let me share with you what these judges will be looking for in these contestants. So you have an idea. They will look at their the maximum point will be 10 and their minimum point will be 3. The introduction will be judged also with a maximum of 10 points and a minimum of 3 points. They made presentation from a minimum of 8 points to a maximum of 20 points. For the combination, minimum of 3, maximum of 10 points. For the answer to the question, minimum of 2, maximum of 6. For the tumba, minimum of 6, maximum of 15 points. For the gunje, minimum of 3, maximum of 10. For the punta dance, minimum of 3, maximum of 10. And I give that up for 20 points. Because punta is the best dance, right? Grace and poise, how well they carry themselves and how well they are doing on the stage. Minimum of 2, maximum of 6 points. And Garifuna dwell, how well they present themselves as a Garifuna, the language and so forth. Minimum of 3 and maximum of 10 points. So the judges will decide how each candidate will be marked. And give it a paper stone. But we will begin, and in and between the contests, I'll be sharing more information. So, are you ready? There. The contestants will now come up to introduce themselves with a hugud. And starting out this morning will be Miss Jaisha Lam from Hollywood.
go home Holy Ghost. No family are Holy Ghost. Hagaya! 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 Dear Saram Niri, do so Iromana. Na Gara Gababe, Lum na Yanuaho, Luago, Seremeniaho. Wafedoha bawamagua irumule wabenaha bawamagua leda irumule wafedoha bawamagua irumule wabenaha bawamagua leda irumule ai aneduheyo niyabilo aba ukunda netenda nanigi Juluha yote ya ndani dia luwa rufudaha luwa fedaha luma lu wege ene semet nubuya mesa lu nigru ni garifuna dua uwa madudule nubuya le terarina makoy nirbe also irumu now Holy family. Yara Lidagia, lo bueno age fulaso hopkin. Lo bueno ma, kay harihina yeye. vela Christ the King Niabi. Ne tuheyo sereme Niabi. This
more of what has been shown with you this morning. But I want to take this time to highlight our great brother, Mr. Herrera, from the DYFA Foundation, who is going live with this show. So let's give him a big round of applause. The man, the Caribbean live so many times going. Because he was in Hopkins the other day. Just to make a comment on it, Mr. Herrera. Alright, so we want to continue calling on Miss Garifuna Primary 2023-24 to introduce herself to us. Darlene Peters to bid farewell. So let's welcome the Miss Garifuna Primary 2023-24, Darlene Peters. Come around, please. if you're bad. Alright, at this time we'll have some giveaway, but we want to highlight our sponsors once again for this event who contributed to ensure that all these candidates have a prize today. Well, let's first give it up to our 6 contestants who did a wonderful job earlier. Like I said, I don't want to be the judge because all these wonderful, beautiful children are doing a good job so far. So our sponsors for today's event, we have St. Jude Foundation and Ms. Elda Conarchy. We have Impact Danriga, all the primary schools, Holy Ghost, Holistic, Airport Methodist, Christ the King, Sacred Heart, and Holy Family. The Patalion Hernandez family. I didn't even hear Patalion. Are they here? If you are from the Patalion family, raise your hand. Oh, Pantaleon. Alright, I have to say it slowly. Dr. Karen Martinez, Mrs. Feliciana Nunes, Cherish Store, Family City, Nerly Rodriguez, Data and Adria Rodriguez, Mr. John Castillo, the District Education Council, Ms. Evelyn Nunes, Family Imports Limited, the Laguna Resort, Mr. Tom Collis, Mr. and Mrs. Kendrick Cruz, Dr. Gwen Yunes Gonzalez, Mr. Joshua Arana, parents and family. Let's give it up to those wonderful, generous people who make sure that this contest went on the farm. So because these wonderful sponsors, I want to share with you also what will be the prizes after the contest. First place will receive a trophy through the courtesy of Mr. and Mrs. Kendrick Cruz. Oh, they are in Las Vegas. All right, big up Las Vegas. The Pantaleon trophy goes through the Pantaleon Hernandez family. 1 bicycle from Stan Creek District Council, 1 tablet, Dr. Karen Martinez, a cultural outfit by Adria Rodriguez, a cultural item, Noreen Rodriguez, 1 purse and water bottle, St. Jude Foundation, and a certificate of appreciation. Second place will walk away with a second place trophy through the courtesy of Mr. and Mrs. Kenny Cruz. 1 805 Samsung phone and charger through the Stan Creek District Council. 1 cultural item, Noreen Rodriguez, a purse and water bottle from St. Jude Foundation, and also a certificate of appreciation. Third place, we'll walk away with the third place trophy. Alright, we all know probably the same people donating that. 1 tablet, same people who donated the trophy. A cultural item is Data Rodriguez, purse and water bottle, the same St. Jude Foundation, certificate of appreciation. And the consolation prizes. Each consolation prize will receive a trophy. Well, I'll say it's 4th prize, 1 Bluetooth speaker, so restore, a cultural item, a purse and a water bottle, and certificate of participation. Another consolation prize is a trophy, 1 bath and body set, lotion, body wash and body mist by Dr. Tanya Nunes, and $25 cash. 1 cultural item by Mr. Joshua Arana, 1 purse and water bottle, and also a certificate of participation. The final consolation prize will be a trophy, 1 fan by Ms. Evelyn Nunes, $25 cash, a cultural item by Dr. Gwen Nunes Gonzalez, a purse and water bottle, and a certificate of participation. And each candidate will also receive a gift basket from their school. All right? So let's give it up to our donors and the prizes. So these students will be walking away with some wonderful prizes today. Even if I win a consolation prize, I'm happy. I even got $25 in the pocket. So I'm going home with $25 today. All right. We have three questions, and we are giving away some goodies through the courtesy of St. Jude Foundation and Ms. Elda Konarki. All right, any student who come up here and give us the theme for this year Garifuna celebration. Anyone come up here quickly and give us a theme for this year Garifuna November celebrations. Win themselves a prize. In Garifuna, any student? They picked the number to win this prize. I got a lot of prize. I know, three prizes. All right, please keep the back door closed. If you're walking in and out, please close the back door so the AC can concentrate in one area. Thank you very much. There is one more that needs to be closed. And remember, we have snacks and the drinks on sale to the back. But just make sure that you close the door. All right, so we have a student from
Holy Family.
Good. So she will share with us the theme for this Garifuna celebrations this year.
Celebrating our roots, sharing our culture.
All right, thank you, Denise. You can pick up one of these 68 pieces set. You can get one of those 68 pieces. Yes. All right, let's give her a big round of applause. I have two more prizes. Who can come up here and give me the name of Miss Primary 2023-2024? Win him or herself a prize. Anybody? I don't know the answer. So if you say, I don't know if he's right or not. You ready? Kabir?
Get in the here.
Oh, here in the here. Halele get baby. Oh, halele get baby. Okay. Good. Kabi, let's go, baby. Kabi, let's go, baby.
Listen Community Primary School.
All right, Listen Primary School. All right, here we go. Give me the answer.
Darling Destiny Peters. Darling Destiny Peters.
Oh, I don't see your middle name. You sure that's your middle name? All right, then. Good. Grab yourself a prize. Since you're not buying, better carry what I want because that's pink. I forget. All right? Let's give you a round of applause. Alright, this last prize is a challenge. Jankulo challenge. So you have to be a girl and you have to be able to do a good Jankulo for 2 minutes. You can't get that for me. That's easy. I know people are. Somebody who can dance 2 minutes of Jankulo. A female. Alright, come, hurry man. Any female? The lady is slow man. Come. Jankuno? Anybody? Nobody wants this pretty thing? This is beautiful, you know, Nana. 68 pieces. Wow. I know ask a question, man, because the question a bit too easy. I want to do something nice. All right, how about punta? Somebody come up here and dance to the punta rhythm. 2 minutes. Win the prize. Somebody to call on him. All right. What a lovely radio game. As a help punta, you run. That's good. All right. Kabir. Why are you asking the question? Because I want to know what your name?
Coming to school.
Okay. From which school?
Holy Ghost RC.
Holy Ghost RC School. All right. Kati. Oh my, what's your teacher name?
Miss Smith.
Okay, Miss Smith. All right, baby. Grab yourself that package that you want after that in contact. Then for tomorrow, we have practiced what they contact, the language, right? Alright, let's give it up for our 3 minutes today. As we move on, and the contestant will do their main item. Alright. So those 3 prizes again are from the St. Jude Foundation and Ms. Elma Conarty. Thank you so much, St. Jude Foundation. I've been hearing. I'm going to start there. I really want St. Jude to go to Hopkins, you know, because they give me all over the place. I don't reach Hopkins yet. St. Jude Foundation and Ms. Elma, I want to see you after the contest. All right, so thank you very much again for your generosity. All right, so we move on with the contest, ladies and gentlemen. The contestants will come up to do their main presentation. So, calling on contestant number 1 from Holy Ghost, Jesha Lam, coming up with a paranda. Jesha doing her main item.
Niduheyu, iraheyu nilele. Magunda tina. Garinago darahome ha. Garinago visitetia wagucha. Garinago howame wegi. Abinaha wame abinaha. Garinago, Dowame, Wadorago. Garinago, Sarahuma, 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 Ceremonial.
All right. So this again is encouraging the Garifuna people to practice their culture, eat their food, dance their dance, sing the song, the Garifuna, and so forth. Coming up contestant number 2, coming up also with a paranga from Holy Family, Tera Mahor.
Garifuna, the Bagarinado. Garifuna, Magadi. Agaya! Agaya! Aha! Hamenegi, Udoto Semevo. Dogo Semese, Toma Golo.
number 3, Trina Rowe from Sekidar, will be coming up with a hugu.
No,
Again, let's give it up again for Amia Chavez. To do her main item. If you could go down and come up 3 times at the same time, continent will know. Anyone that can use that? The females, not the males. Alright, let's give it up again to these wonderful girls, man. These girls are really sending some very strong messages, even in the songs when they sing. And they focus on unity, peace, also encouraging all of us here today to go back to our roots. As the team has said, we are celebrating our roots. Let's go back to that root and share our culture with others. So they are well focused on the team today during their main item. Let's have it again for Jay Shalom, Holy Ghost, Taylor McCoy, Holy Family, Trina Rose, Sacred Heart, Secretary Gamo, Secretary Gamo, and I got the board on again. Cross the King Anglican, Releasing Community, Edward Methodist. Good, these guys are doing a wonderful job. We want to thank again Valerie and Carla Arana. Yesterday was Veteran Day, and they guys are veterans in the US. So happy Veterans Day, Valerie. I think that the Valerie, you know, she was my classmate at high school. Thank you guys for your $110 contribution towards the prizes for today. And if anyone out there wants to contribute, kindly, all right, message, text, call Ms. Dr. Tanya Nunes, and let her know. Our target is $1,000 more. So anybody wants to contribute, we want to make $1,000 before this budget ends. Valerie and Carolina, Serene. Our sponsor is St. Jude Foundation and Miss Elda Konarki, Serene. Impact Danriga, the all the primary schools participating. Panta Leon Hernandez family, Dr. Karen Martinez, Mrs. Felicia Lane Nunes, Cherry Store, Family City, Normally Rodriguez, Data, Adria, Rodriguez, John Castillo, the District Education Council, Ms. Evelyn Nunes, Family Imports Limited, La Rubella Resort, Mr. Tom Collis, Mr. and Mrs. Kendrick Cruz, Dr. Gwen Nunes Gonzalez, Mr. Joshua Arada, and the parents and the families of these contestants and all those who are here today. And thanks also to DYFA for streaming us live and Bay Hill View Network in Urume for streaming live today. Wow, more money. Glenda Castillo, $50. So everywhere. Alright, so more money is coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, if you're live and you want to contribute, remember the target is $1,000 before the pageant ends. So if you make $1,000, you'll be proud of everyone who did that today. Alright, so the contestant will come back with a combination where I will ask them questions, and after they answer the question, they will leave the stage with a tumba. Alright? So we'll continue with the contest because it's Miss Holy Ghost, Jay Shalom. You got that? Hayaba. Gary Shatip. Can you smile? Alright, smile for me, baby. You're beautiful. I'll ask the question twice, alright? 2 times. Bien Wakas, in Garifuna. What advice would you give the younger youth pertaining to the culture? What advice would you give the younger youth pertaining to the culture? She said, let's dance our dance, speak our language, and what else, Jason? Oh, put on your Garifuna. Your one is beautiful. All right, thank you. Holy family, Terra Makor. All right. Terra, what message would you share with young children like yourself to help promote the Garifuna culture? What message would you share with young children like yourself to help promote the Garifuna culture?
Isanigo, Garinago, Millet, Mabule the woman love Garifuna la, Abarasa Rifty. Mabusi gave the woman lu, waiting and waiting. I don't have a man wherever. They don't have
Terra answered it that children like yourself, do not be ashamed of who you are. Love who you are, be proud of who you are, and make sure you, same thing like Jesha, eat the Garifuna food, especially speak your language. Alright, second art, Trina Road. Trina Road, Kati be teacher. Miss Rodriguez. What class were you?
Standard 4.
Standard 4. Trina Nala de lo bien wakas. Nala de lo bien wakas. Tade anybody? Is your heart beating? Okay, thank God. Trina, what advice would you give children to ensure the survival of the Garifuna language? Culture. What advice would you give children to ensure the survival of the Garifuna culture?
Nuduheyo, Usigna, Hamuga, Narengo, Home, Iraqi, Niladi, Pante. Nuduheyo, Usigna, Hamuga, Narengo, Home, Iraqi, Niladi, No, Harufudo, Pante, Lo, Hama, Garifuna Hama, No, Hagini Wegi, Luma Lo, Heremoha, Garifuna, Nuduheyo, Seremini.
Excellent. Very good. Again, in line to what the other candidates have spoken. Her answer again encourages the younger children like yourself to speak the language, sing in Garifuna, learn the Garifuna song, dance the dances, and eat your food. And also be proud of who you are. Thank you, Trina. Say me my own. Well, this one you look ready for answering the question. Avia Chavez. You mean to sing one song? Vemos him out here. Kali, vemos him. What was the name of the song you were singing? Wow. You don't answer my question? I'm going to ask you. Anyways, who composed the song Gumesela and why? Who composed the song Gumesela and why?
La Duda Battle of the Drums. Aba Moto Afedoa. Lida da Nikia. Edureyo Sereme.
Alright. Oh, you want to say more? You want to say more? Oh, you don't? Thank you, baby. You can go back and over there. Brave. Alright. She said, Linford Super G Martinez is the composer, and he wrote that song in an for the Battle of the Drums, right? So he said, Gumesela, it's time for us to start the party. Our next candidate, Zeraya Marin from Golisi Community Primary School. Why you look vexed as you come front to front? Alright, that's the way I want to say. Smile. Katibi Moistu. Katiri Moistu.
Miss Matuka.
Matuka? Oh. Give me Moistu then. Is your teacher a Creole?
Yes, sir.
And she teaches at Golisi. Miss Marin, why should we proudly celebrate our roots? Why should we proudly celebrate our roots?
Ni duheyo, kasi wafedani wakucha, lao panto, laduga, derete boga,
Thank you, Mr. Marin. She said we should proudly celebrate our roots because our ancestors fought so hard to be here, and that is why we are still here celebrating our culture. Serewebo Zeraya Marin. Let me come this way and call on Airport Methodist candidate Jerry Lee Mark. Jerry Lee, you good?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're good with you. You're brave, you know? You know you're brave?
Yes, sir.
Of course, because you never made it up here. Only brave people are up here. You see, I like you, brave. So, I got you something at Garifuna. I can say something at Garifuna. I could? You know? No pressure here. Okay, Jeremy, who is the founder of the Garifuna Settlement Day? Who is the founder of the Garifuna Settlement Day? Next time I'll answer that question at Garifuna. You have answer? You know? Alright. Alright, let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as they now prepare to do their tumba and then off the stage. Alright? Delbert? So we can eat. Right, there she goes. the Gunje. So we will have an interval presentation by Hanigi Wagubu. Not that come on stage, you can't let long time, nobody will come. Alright, so they'll do a presentation for us. And after, the contestants will come up to do their Gunje and then off with a punta. Hanigi Wagubu, take it away.
Africa.
So now give me the punta then. Alright. Let's give it up for Anigi Wabagari Dance Group for that wonderful presentation. Are you ready, boys and girls? Say yeah! Yeah, yeah! Vamos fazer bom mano. Amigo seu. I want to hear this side. You got this side there. Good. Together now. Good. Let's get alive. So the contestant will now come up. Oh, before I go to that, I mean the challenge day, can you saw that for a dance, but I give up. Because when I see the dance earlier, no, I can't match that. I get old. I can't put that to the way I used to when I was younger, you know? So I leave that to take another time. I got to go practice. Now the contestant will come back to do their gunche, and they'll come off the stage with a punta. Alright? So they will come up with the gunche, and they'll off with a punta. Number 1, from Holy Ghost, Jesha Lam. All right. So that was a good day. And now they will be off stage with the punta. All right, now we are going to recognize our chaperones for these contestants. So we'll be calling them on the stage for a little token of appreciation because they work with these candidates to make sure that they are ready for this contest. So we call up on the chaperones from Airport Methodist, Miss Monica Louise Castillo. Let's get it up. For Louise, thank you for helping these students. Miss Carlene Rodriguez from Sacred Heart RC. Carlene, let's give it up for Carlene Rodriguez from Sacred Heart. Is she around? How goes our Carlene? From Holy Ghost, we have Miss Nancy Martinez and Miss Carla Cayetano. Chaperones, we go. Come. Thank you, guys. Holy Family, Miss Elaine Aranda. From Bolisi Primary School, Viviana Maktuga. Viviana, okay, there she comes. And from Christ the King Anglican, we have Ishali Augustine. Ishel, okay. Sorry, Miss Ishel Augustine.
Chaperones.
Carly just hashing. Right. So Miss Dr. Tanya will officially thank you.
Chaperones, from what we have seen this morning, you did an awesome pass with our 6 contestants. Do you agree? And year after year, the work that you put in goes unnoticed. So we wanted to recognize our efforts with a small token of appreciation. It's items from Abby's collection. If you have heard of them, you could pamper yourselves, your skin, your body. So we hope that you enjoy the token that we have put together for you in recognition of your hard work. Thank you.
All right, let's give it up again for our chaperones to make sure that these candidates are prepared for this contest. All right, and I call on Mr. Russell Lambert. Loli Chukwusereme no, Amidule. Mama Tabinafi, Amidule. So Amidule, Wawalago, where Russell Lambert, Loli Chukwusereme. Call on Mr. Lambert to do the vote of thanks. Let's give it up for Mr. Lambert. I know you're hungry, though. Give me some time.
Serve. Bagay na siya serve yung step na demo do the new. Lagu we like that's about we live. Yeah. Harate the right now about we binafile. Harate so wait that's. Bueno, this event was possible because of a lot of hands from behind the scene. So I want to just give a shout out to some of those people that make this event very, very possible. Sponsors, we have St. Jude Foundation, Ms. Elda Kanarke. We have Impact Danriga. We have the primary school involved here, Holy Ghost, Bolisi, Airport Methodist, Christ the King, Sacred Heart, Holy Family. Battalion Hernandez family, Dr. Dr. Karen Martinez, Dr. Tanya is also very, very key, instrumental to this activity today. Miss Mr. Nunes, Cherish Store, Family City, Ayano Duhenu Rodriguez, Deidre, Dita Nuri Rodriguez, John Castillo, District Education Council, Edwin Nunes, Family Import Limited, we have La Rubea Resort, Tom Callis, Mr. Callis, Mr. and Mrs. Henry Cruz, Dr. Gwen Nunes Gonzalez, Joshua Arana, and Amasu. Agubri Buha, usually, Contel Lubala, Gabila, Arani, Freire. So, parents, make sure that the parents are the students, for all our queens, to give the green light to make this possible. And the school involved, all the schools involved, we appreciate your support. Also, through the garden, we now feel so how Dumbria, ceremony, and Hamagatim, Gayusis, man, Miss Marsha's group, Hanigi Mogibu, that group is power. So you make this absolutely powerful and absolutely great. And all of the supporters from the schools, parents, everywhere.
Mr. Lambert.
Seven, get moved. Woman,
Seven. Alright, let's give it up for Mr. Lambert for that vote of thanks. Alright, I'm going over the prizes once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Kindly note that these prizes will be distributed on Friday for the children's rally right here at Russell Chester Garcia Stadium at 9 in the morning. I repeat, the prizes will be distributed on Friday here at Russell Chester Auditorium at 9 a.m. But the candidates will leave with a token of appreciation from their schools. Alright? So they will be leaving with a gift basket from their school. So first place winner will go home with a trophy, a battalion trophy that is a boat, I guess, one bicycle, one tablet, cultural outfit, cultural item, a purse and water bottle, with $60 cash. Second place will go home with second place trophy, one A05 Samsung phone and charger, cultural item, purse and water bottle, with $50 cash. Third place will go home with a trophy, one tablet, cultural item, purse and water bottle, with $30 cash. Consolation, trophy, Bluetooth speaker, cultural item, purse and water bottle, with $25 cash. These third and that consolation prize came up to $55 through the courtesy of Miss Glenda Castillo. And the $60 and the $50 cash prize for first and second place was through the courtesy of Miss Valerie and Carla Arana. Another consolation prize, a trophy, 1 bath and body set, $25 cash, cultural item, purse, and water bottle. Another consolation prize, trophy, a fan, $25 cash, a cultural item, a purse, and water bottle. And all the candidates also will be receiving a certificate of participation. So let's give our donors, our sponsors, a big round of applause. Well, I think the judge's mind is on ease because the tax done. Now they go in. You know what we do? We said we do too. I think you said, put it on Dr. Tanya Bill, right? We'll have to do Dr. Tanya Bill today. Our judges today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, from Holy Ghost, we have Miss Manuelita Rodriguez. Let's give them a big round of applause for their wonderful job today. Holy Family, Miss Glenda Aranda. From Sacred Heart, we have Miss Frances Zuniga. From Christ the King, we have Lisa Sabah Coleman. Oh, I don't know to it, yeah? Then from Policing Community, we have Miss Brenda Garcia. And from Airport Methodist, we have Miss Edna Gritty. Thank you, ladies, for your wonderful job today. I don't know who will. Please don't say the MC. These ladies are the ones who make those decisions. And I can't change it. Dr. Nunes can't change it. Nobody can change it, right? They are the ones who make. And what they decide is final. And our tabulators will deal with all the numbers today. Miss Yvonne Palacio and Miss Lucretia Flores. Let's give them a big round of applause. I'm not doing like they want national day. I sleep and I wake up and the result still not there. We want it quick, right? But anyways, that's a joke. We want to move on. The candidates will come up with a paranda and they will be serenaded, and then after we will have the results. So the vote. The Gayusa will serenade, right? Come Gayusa will serenade our contestants. They need serenade. We're Muhawabina at the same time. Alright? So let's do that. Paranda. Number 6 contestant, Jeremy Mark from Airport Methodist. serenade. All right. We want to distribute the token of appreciation from the schools. So, when I call your name, you come to pick up your gift basket, right? Or your gift bag. So, Jason Lamb from Holy Ghost. Let's give her a big round of applause. So Jason, that's your gift bag from your school. Tara McCoy for the family IC. Trina Rowe from Sacred Heart RC. Amia Chavez from Christ the King Anglican. How about Amia? You got her up. Come down. Wow, I wonder if you could carry that basket. Loaded basket right there. Zeriah Marin from Polisi Community Primary School. And Jerry Lee Mark from Epworth Methodist School. You need a truck for carry home because you have a whole lot, all right? I soon send a crane for come for you. Make it back here on the side. Alright? Alright, so Epworth Methodist, a token to the chaperone for Miss Louise. Please come and pick up your token of appreciation from the school. So everybody home. Are you ready for the results? Who do you think will be in DYFA Garifuna 2024-25? Will it be Sacred Heart? Holy Ghost? Christ the King? Polisi? Holy Family? Epworth Methodist? Remember, they're not the ones that make the most noise, you know, right? The judges decide. All right. We want to call out the consolation prizes. And the consolation prizes goes to not in any order, I'm just calling out Jerry Lee Mark from Epworth Methodist. Come Jerry Lee and take a bow. Take a bow, baby. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Amia Chavez from Christ the King Anglican. Very good job, Amia. I love your bravery. You know, a brave girl. I was seeing at the nationals one of these days, huh? Trina Rowe from Sacred Heart RC. These girls will all walk away with the consolation prize. So you know who are the top three, right? Second runner-up, third place, goes to no other than Jay Shalom from Holy Ghost RC School. Congratulations, Jay Shalom. Or see the national anthem and these years too, right? Second place goes to Zeraya Marine from Golisi Community Primary School. And the Miss Primary Garifuna 2024-2025 is no other than Terry McCall from Holy Family IC School. Congratulations, Tara. The new Miss Primary Garifuna 2024-25, Tara McCoy. Kindly remember your prizes will be distributed on Friday at the Children's Rally here at Russell Chistek Garcia Auditorium at 9 a.m. The prizes will be distributed at 9 a.m. right here on Friday. Let's give it up for all our contestants for doing a wonderful job. One big hug. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you, thank you, thank you. Seremi, it was my pleasure. Judges, Seremi.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Holy Family RC School for coming in first on Miss Garifuna Primary. We gotta go this time. Lamado, we're home. We've been here for a long time. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for tuning in. Dear life. Ayo.